English conversation, favorite food, music, family, holiday, university. Learn English and Indonesian, favorite food. What's your favorite food? Apa makanan kesukaanmu? I'm very fond of Padangese food. Saya sangat suka makanan Padang. Why are you fond of Padangese food? Mengapa kamu suka makanan Padang? I really like spicy food. Saya suka sekali makanan pedas. Is that all? Cuma itu? Well, I like that I eat many dishes using hand without spoon. Ya, saya suka kalau saya makan banyak lauk pakai tangan tanpa sendok. Why do you like to eat with hand? Mengapa kamu suka makan pakai tangan? Because the food tastes better when you eat it without a spoon. Karena makanan terasa lebih enak ketika kamu memakannya tanpa sendok. You are a really unique person. Kamu benar-benar orang yang unik. Learn English and Indonesian. Talking about music. What is your favorite music? Apa musik kesukaanmu? Ah, I like all kinds of music. How about you? Ah, saya suka semua jenis musik. Bagaimana dengan kamu? I like all kinds of music too. Do you like jazz? Saya juga suka semua jenis musik. Apakah kamu suka jazz? Yes. Do you like reggae? Yeah. Apakah kamu suka reggae? Of course, I like reggae. Do you like girl bands? Tentu, saya suka reggae. Apakah kamu suka band perempuan? Girl bands? No way. I dislike girl bands. Band perempuan? Tidak. Saya tidak suka band perempuan. Me either. How about gambus music? Saya juga tidak. Bagaimana dengan musik gambus? Gambus? Oh yeah. I like Sabian Gambus. Gambus? Oh yeah. Saya suka Sabian Gambus. I feel the same way as you. Saya merasakan yang sama dengan kamu. English dialogue about my family. Dialog bahasa Inggris tentang keluarga saya. How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? Ada berapa orang di keluargamu? There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister, and me. There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister, and me. Ada 5 orang di keluarga saya. Ayah saya, ibu, saudara laki-laki, saudara perempuan, dan saya. Do you live in a house or an apartment? Do you live in a house or an apartment? Apakah kamu tinggal di sebuah rumah atau di apartemen? We live in a very simple house. We live in a very simple house. Kami tinggal di sebuah rumah yang sangat sederhana. What does your father do? What does your father do? Apa pekerjaan ayahmu? My father is an English teacher. My father is an English teacher. Ayah saya seorang guru bahasa Inggris. What about your mother? Does she work? What about your mother? Does she work? Bagaimana dengan ibumu? Apakah dia bekerja? My mother is a housewife. My mother is a housewife. Ibu saya adalah seorang ibu rumah tangga. In her free time, she sells something online. In her free time, she sells something online. Di waktu luangnya, dia berjualan sesuatu secara online. How old is your mother? How old is your mother? Berapa usia ibumu? She's 40 years old, 2 years younger than my father. She's 40 years old, 2 years younger than my father. Dia berusia 40 tahun, 2 tahun lebih muda daripada ayah saya. What is your younger brother's name? What is your younger brother's name? Siapa nama adik laki-lakimu? His name is Yanto. His name is Yanto. Namanya Yanto. What is your older sister's name? What is your older sister's name? Siapa nama kakak perempuanmu? Her name's Linda. Her name is Linda. Namanya Linda. What do your father and mother like? What do your father and mother like? Ibumu dan ayahmu sukanya apa? My father likes playing piano and my mother likes cooking. My father likes playing piano and my mother likes cooking. Ayah saya suka bermain piano dan ibu saya suka memasak. Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents? Apakah kamu tinggal bersama orang tuamu? This time, yes. But last year, I lived with my grandmother in my father's hometown. This time, yes. But last year, I lived with my grandmother in my father's hometown. Saat ini, iya. Tetapi, tahun lalu saya tinggal dengan nenek saya di kampung halaman ayah saya. Learn English about holiday. Belajar bahasa Inggris tentang liburan. Title: Have you been to Madame Tussauds? Judul: Apakah kamu sudah pernah ke Madame Tussauds? Holiday is coming soon. Where will you go? Liburan segera tiba. Kamu mau pergi kemana? I will go to Singapore with my campus friends. Saya akan pergi ke Singapura dengan teman-teman kampus saya. Wow, that must be fun. You make me jealous. Wah, itu pasti menyenangkan. Kamu membuat saya iri saja. By the way, may I join? How much should I pay? Ngomong-ngomong, boleh saya gabung? Saya harus bayar berapa? I want to visit Singapore again because I want to make more pictures in Madame Tussauds. Saya ingin berkunjung ke Singapura lagi karena saya ingin membuat lebih banyak foto di Madame Tussauds. Oh, you have been to Madame Tussauds. Oh, kamu sudah pernah ke Madame Tussauds. Yes, I went there last year and I was so happy. Ya, saya pergi ke sana tahun lalu dan saya sangat senang. These are some of the pictures. Ini beberapa fotonya. Those are nice pictures. Hopefully, I can make some good pictures. Foto-fotonya bagus. Semoga saya bisa membuat beberapa foto yang bagus. Unfortunately, you cannot join our group because this program is only for students of semester 3. Sayangnya, kamu nggak bisa gabung grup kami, karena program ini hanya untuk mahasiswa semester 3. Oh, so sad. I hope there will be another travel program for new students. Sedih sekali. Saya berharap akan ada travel program yang lain untuk mahasiswa baru. Hopefully, mudah-mudahan. I heard there will be a program called Jakarta, Malaysia, Singapore Program. Saya dengar akan ada sebuah program yang namanya Jakarta, Malaysia, Singapore Program. Really? Thank you for this good news. Benar? Terima kasih atas berita bagus ini. Just wait. It will be announced soon. Tunggu aja. Akan segera diumumkan. Learn English and Indonesian Dialogue. Belajar percakapan bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. Why are you nervous? Mengapa kamu gugup? What about you, Lisa? You are graduated this year too. Bagaimana dengan kamu, Lisa? Kamu lulus tahun ini juga. Yes, I graduated from vocational high school. Ya, saya lulus sekolah kejuruan. Do you plan to continue your study? Apakah kamu berencana melanjutkan studimu? This year I plan to work, but my mom wants me to continue my study. Tahun ini saya berencana kerja, tapi ibuku ingin aku melanjutkan studiku. So which one will you choose? Lalu, mana yang akan kamu pilih? I will choose both, working and studying. Saya akan pilih dua-duanya, kerja dan studi. Oh, that's great. Oh, itu bagus. Have you tried to apply for a job? Kamu sudah mencoba melamar kerja? Yes, and I was interviewed last week, and I'm accepted. Ya, dan saya diwawancarai minggu lalu, dan saya diterima. Congratulations! Where will you work? Selamat! Di mana kamu akan bekerja? I will work in an export-import company as a receptionist. Saya akan kerja di perusahaan ekspor-impor sebagai resepsionis. You must be very happy. Kamu tentunya sangat senang. I'm happy, and now I'm looking for a university or college. Saya senang, dan sekarang saya sedang mencari universitas atau perguruan tinggi. There are many private universities in this town. Ada banyak universitas swasta di kota ini. Yes, and I'm thinking about D3. So I will study for 3 years. Ya, saya sedang memikirkan tentang D3. Jadi, saya akan studi selama 3 tahun. If I'm not accepted in a government university, I will continue my study in a private university too. Jika saya tidak diterima di universitas negeri, saya akan melanjutkan studi saya di universitas swasta juga. I hope you will be accepted. Saya berharap kamu akan diterima. I hope you will be accepted. Saya berharap kamu akan diterima.